Hi, welcome to Taste the Manna. I'm Shalini. Today I'm going to prepare chicken mushroom capsicum gravy. Heat a pan and add about 7 red chilies and dry roast them. And once they are done, keep it aside, and in the same pan add about 25 grams of cashews. Dry roast them as well. Let it cool and add them into a mixie jar and grind them into a coarse. And then add about 2 tomatoes and grind them into a fine paste. Heat a pan and add about 3 spoons of oil. And 1 finely chopped onions. Let the onion get cooked well in the oil. Then add about 2 spoons of ginger garlic paste. Once the ginger garlic paste is cooked well, add about 400 grams of chicken. And salt that is required for the chicken, and mix them thoroughly. Now I'm adding about 1.5 spoons of turmeric powder, three spoons of coriander powder, and 1.5 spoons of pepper powder. So after adding these masala powders, just give it a stir. And now add the red chili tomato cashew paste into them. Along with the paste, add some water. So mix it thoroughly. Add some salt. Remember, I already added the salt for the chicken. Now close it with the lid and cook it for about 10 minutes. So once the chicken is half cooked, add the mushrooms. Here I'm adding about 200 grams of mushrooms. Mix it well and cook it for about 5 minutes by closing the lid. Now I'm adding about 1.5 spoons of Garam Masala powder. Mix it well. So the chicken and mushroom is almost done. So in this stage, I'm adding the capsicum. So it is actually a crunchy vegetable. You need not cook much. Just stir it and cook for about 5 minutes. Subscribe our channel. And click the bell icon for new videos. Our chicken, mushroom and capsicum gravy is ready now. And thanks for watching.